Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Laring san ubadeu inspector ke NDRF habakran shikila pathai khubor mendagsi ka South Region liu ulaong baga jaka shikiwe ki jaka hapori India ban Meghalaya ka ya pher shibon bha ulaong baga NDRF kala tre yakum gani ka kam ki babon tali ki jaka hapori India kanthop ha Kashmir ka bajur tam ka jingkhriat ban Rajasthan ka baga jingshet ka poi ha ki sanpho degree Celsius hendrei ulaong baga jaka Meghalaya ka pher shibon ban ki bai pat ki jaka namar ka jingben ki khla Ulaong ru bawat la kataru kila treshitom banit wat shadu katrai jong karyat wai saudong ulaong bakalong ka bae hadu kata-kata namar bakajaka kadai ke badan ki klau ki barben haringkat ki mau ki babutut bat kum juru ke jingbom yo ibha namar ke jingdom lo uliat huru bawat la ki don ki jaka baki brio bat ki drone ki numla ban poi hendrei ke NDRF kala shimi ka thong banit wat shikati ki jaka kumta ulaong banakalang ke NDRF ka treshitom hendrei namar ke jingbom la bani ibha bat ke jingben ka klau Kim Shimla ban poi shadu shatrai. Ulaong bamenta kila sangi ishwa banwan bat kin sebedeng pat la shai kasi bat haki wei kisngi.
Delta control Delta 1 अगर होगा तो और ये दो आदमी Delta 1 Delta 1 carry on sir कुछ स्मेल आ रहा है क्या विजिबिलिटी एरिया के हिसाब से तो नो पॉसिबिलिटी है सर Delta control हॉल्ट बताता हूँ ग्राउंड कितना है और नॉट श्योर सर हाई ज़्यादा है कुछ स्मेल भी नहीं है सर ओके बैक ओके सर राजर हाथ पकड़ लो आगे से हाँ इधर जीरो पॉसिबिलिटी है सर क्या होता तो ऐसे करके आ रहा है क्या झूमर खींच लेगा ठीक था हाँ झूमर से दे दिया था डबल झूमर दे दिया था हाँ डेल्टा 1 होल्ड करना है क्या डेल्टा 1 होल्ड करना है क्या How is this terrain and what's the challenging for you in this operation?
Actually, the NDRF are trained to work under any circumstances, and we can work all over India under any terrain also. And we do have work in Kashmir, which is below freezing point also. And at the same time, we do also work here in Rajasthan, which is more than 50 degrees Celsius also. But the terrain here in Cherrapunji, so to say, Sora, is very much different from other terrain of India and abroad. And although we did try our best by rappelling to reach up to the ground in this steep gorge, so to say, Wei Mei Song slope. It is really challenging for us. The terrain is full of dense forest characterized by slippery stone as well as low visibility. But as the NDRF are trying hard, which even the drone and human untrained cannot reach the place. The NDRF takes the task to reach all the area which was not searched earlier. We did our best, but unluckily, due to low visibility and dense forest, we cannot reach up to the ground. So we should try another day. For tomorrow, we should continue the search operation. That's all.
Thank you, sir.